Welcome back, subbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today we are going to be doing a hair review. That's right, your girl was sent a Deep Wave Headband Wig. Firstly, I would like to thank LuvMeHair for sponsoring this video. Secondly, if you're watching my videos and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I'm so excited. For all of you who have been watching my channel since the beginning, y'all know that I love me some LuvMeHair wigs. Matter of fact, one of my first YouTube videos was the LuvMeHair U-part wig. So y'all might want to check that out. It's gonna be up there somewhere, linked up there. But today your girl has a headband wig from them and it is a deep wave. So let's get into it. So I love the packaging, by the way. Like, I can totally see a difference in the packaging from when I ordered hair from them years ago to like now. So now it comes in a box like this. It's giving luxury, okay? It's definitely giving luxury. It looks like a gift box of some sort. I love the packaging, and then I love the fact that it has a ribbon on it. It's too pretty to open. It's too pretty to open. Okay, so I'm just gonna slide this ribbon off and we will get to it. I love the way this box feels, y'all. Like, okay, so taking this lid off. Okay, so when I open the box, the first thing I see is the wig and headband. So I'm gonna show you the headbands first. So this is what the headbands looks like. It looks like they gave me multiple headbands. So I'm just gonna open this and show y'all what goodies I have. Oh, okay, it's easy to open too. I didn't need to pull out my scissors or anything. Ooh, and they give you a lot of headbands. I'm excited. Build up my headband collection because y'all know I love headband wigs. So they give you a yellow one, and then a gray one, and then a pink one, and then a tan one, and then this looks like a tie-dye one. Yeah, this is tie-dye. That is super cute. So that's that. And then I'm gonna show y'all the wig last. And then it says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LuvMeHair. So this was also in the box. Let's see, next, okay, we got gifts. So this was also in the box. This is a really cute bag. I can use this for anything. I have a lot of stuff, so I be needing bags to put my stuff in. So this is the edge, yeah, I'm guessing this is the edge scarf. Super cute, has LuvMeHair on it. Oh yes. I love the way this one feels though. So this is what it looks like, guys. I'm just loving the packaging, okay? I am here for the packaging. I am so here for it, okay? And they gave us some bobby pins from this bag. And then an edge brush. You can never have too many of these. And they gave us this to secure our edges with. Or is it a wig band? Yeah, they gave this, like say if you need a little extra support with the wig, you can always sew this to the back. And then some tweezers for plucking. And this Love Me accessory, super cute. It also comes with a wig cap. 2 pieces actually. So it comes with 2. And lastly, it comes with this LuvMeHair booklet. And it's basically like letting you know like how to care for your wig and all that jazz. So But yeah, that's what comes in the box. Now for the star of the show, I'm about to show y'all this wig. So this is the star of the show, the LuvMeHair wig. It comes in this bag, and then it comes in a hairnet to protect the hair. And this is what the hair looks like, y'all. Super cute. Okay, so this wig is actually 18 inches, and it comes with this headband. So you would put this in front of your hair, and then you would snap it with this Velcro. And then it comes with 3 combs on the inside, so the middle one and then the 2 sides. And then the one at the bottom for the back. So we're gonna try this on. So first what I'm gonna do is I am going to take one of these wig caps and put it on because sometimes my hair gets in the way and it won't stay put when I'm trying to apply these wigs. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig cap on like so. And I'm gonna do a little something to my edges. So using their edge brush, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of edge control. Not too crazy with the baby hairs, just a little minor work. Okay, a little light work, as you can see. So now for the best part, we are going to apply this wig. So right now I'm just trying on the wig because I like to wash my wigs before like I style them and everything. So right now I'm just basically showing you how to put it on. So the Velcro has been snapped into place, and this is pretty much how the wig looks. So yeah, this is how it looks straight out the pack, the Deep Wave. So now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna wash the wig, and then I'll be back to show you how it looks after I wash it. So stay. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is the hair after I've washed it and conditioned it. So basically I did basically what the instructions said. You brush the hair and then you wash it with like lukewarm water and some shampoo, basically how you wash every wig really. And then I made sure that I put the conditioner on and I let it sit. I do that for all my wigs naturally. It says let it sit on the hair for 5 minutes, so I did that. And then after that, I just basically wringed it out with a towel and brushed it. So this is where we are now. And it looks beautiful wet, like very beautiful. Like this reminds me of a wash and go, okay? A wash and go. But I do want this hair to dry more, and it says when you want to dry the hair, make sure that you blow dry like and get it 80% dry, and then just let it air dry after that. So I'm gonna dry this for a little bit and then we're gonna style it. And make sure when you're drying your wigs, I don't care what wig it is, make sure that you have it on the low setting, like the cool setting. Okay guys, so my hair is about 70 to 80% dry. So this is what it looks like. The back is damper than the rest of my hair, but I was gonna wet it anyway and spray it with a water bottle. But yeah, so these are the curls after the hair has been washed and slightly dried. And we are going to style it. So first, before we style it, I want to put on my headband. So I'm going to put on this one because this is like my favorite one. I like this color a lot. And when applying this wig, I made sure I use the comb so that way it's secure and it is not coming off, honey. Not coming off. So I'm going to put this over this black headband it comes with to hide it. And that's that. So now we have that on. So you can wear this in many different ways. Like if you want more hair on this side, kind of like pull the hair over like so. So you can wear the hair like this. It's really cute and pretty. And like normally when this hair is dry, you could just spray a little bit of water on it, or you can use some hair lotion. The hair lotion that I like to use for my curly wigs is the Cantu curling cream. Like I normally just take a little bit of it, just a little bit, rub it together and just apply it all over the wig. It smells good and it really defines the curls. But the curls are already pretty much defined since the hair is damp. But I love the fact that I combed these curls out and gave this wig more body. Because the curls were really tight when I got the wig, because you know it's like a deep wave wig. But like if you want like more body, you would comb the curls out like this. That's a style. Or you can just comb it straight back. And you can also do a half up, half down look like this. This is what I like to do. And then you can wear it in a half up, half down do like this. I like my ponytails high when I do it. So yeah. I feel like I look like a little girl when I have like a half up, half down look, because that used to be my go-to when I was a kid. Okay, and then you can also do a ponytail. So this is a low ponytail if you want a low pony. And if you want a high ponytail, you do something like this. Let me take this off so that way I can see what I'm doing. So if you want to do like a bun like this, you can. Like this, I would put a, make sure I put a scarf over it. And then you can see the back. Like that. Cute, y'all, right? I think it's cute. And then like with the ponytail, let me pull this all the way out. The ponytail, just do something like this, like a cute high pony. So this would be like a cute look with a cute high pony. But of course you will want more body with the ponytail. So I would definitely recommend that this is like totally dry whenever you do it. So that way you can have more body. But like if your hair is wet like this, I would recommend the bun. Right now the bun is like my favorite look with it wet like this. Super cute. super cute. So I really hope you all enjoyed this wig. This wig is 18 inches. It is a deep wave headband wig from LuvMeHair. So make sure y'all hit this wig up because it is definitely worth your bucks. And if you want to save your coins, sis, make sure you put in my code for 20% off. So if you want a discount on this wig, make sure you go to their website, which will be linked below, along with all of the information on this wig, and just put in Yassy for 20% off. As always, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give your girl the big thumbs up. Also, remember to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Until next time, peace.